You know, sometimes I want to carry you, but
then carry me.
no, you are you are too heavy.
Don't worry, I will trim down.
If I do attempt to carry you, my waist go crack. You are too.
So
I feel you bit yes. I feel you bit about the processing.
It's about the processing,
okay,
but
I wasn't hearing what you were saying.
Yeah, you said you have something to discuss with us about the processing and the visa. Concerning the visa issue, yes. So we are in all ears listening to you girls.
I hope everybody is okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good time because I really wanted to meet with you guys and discuss about the issue.
Yeah, sure.
Concerning the visa. In UK, we have our own way of doing it.
Yeah.
The government must know or see that you have a strong account that maybe if you're inviting someone into the country, you can be able to care or cater for the person.
Yeah. So meaning the government won't mind the person coming or what?
No, it depends. If the person is well financially sound, like strong account, not 01. Yeah. So that when you come to the country, you won't be a burden to the government.
Okay.
So the processing. We can retrieve our own money. Like the money should be in our account. Yeah.
Okay.
So you guys need to give us money.
Yeah.
To start it. £4,000 will be enough for both of you.
£4,000.
Yeah.
For the processing.
Yeah. The processing.
So you get the visa for us.
Yes. No, we might need a little money back. Let's use the 4,000 first. If anything, we'll let you guys.
£4,000.
Your body abroad.
Why? It's normal. £4,000 is normal.
It is normal for you, but a informal couldn't say there.
I give out like money to the orphanage homes at UK more than £4,000, so it's normal. I mean,
yes.
I can do it for you guys, but our account needs to be filled. So that when they check it, they will know we have enough money to support you guys when you come.
Yeah.
It's a good idea, but
so after we get the visa, how can we manage to go? Because now we are going to buy tickets and others.
No, don't worry. We will take care of that. Don't worry.
We will take care of the ticket, but you help us with the issue, the visa issue.
Okay.
So if you give us the money,
it's a good idea because it's not easy to get a UK visa.
At all.
So we will try our best, our possible best to get that.
Don't say you try your best. It's a must.
We will try.
Don't worry. Everything is processed, so don't worry.
It seems you're not okay.
I'm very okay.
Like this
I'm very okay.
What is wrong with today?
He's okay.
30 minutes. He's okay. The next minute is
Right.
The weather.
I don't want to go.
What am I doing here?
We will go.
We will go.
We thank you girls for doing such a thing for us because it's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
People are selling
UK lady
their papers.
A rare visa. Yeah,
it's not easy.
People are using a lot of money, but it's not easy to get that visa.
And they are scamming them too.
Yeah, they are scamming them.
Yeah.
And this is a real thing. Yeah. So we'll do it. Yeah. We'll do it. We thank you girls. We thank you girls.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We will get that money. We will get that money for you girls.
We have to because it's important. So
you know what to do.
Important things like that. You don't need to wait.
You know what to do.
Yes.
Okay,
then we will think about it and we'll give you the feedback.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry, very soon.
This is not about long thing.
No.
Because it's you kill your life.
Let them be.
From today to tomorrow, we will hear from us.
£1,000 is like something. You are not talking so
like everything.
He's happy over happiness.
Yeah.
Over happiness is doing
Over
that.
Over happiness. It's called overwhelmed.
Warm
Warm is the warmer.
Warmer.
Take the warmer every month.
Ah.
Yeah.
The warmer.
The warmer, yeah. And so we are not warm this time. We are happy this time around.
We are happy.
Yeah.
It is happiness over.
Happy over happy. And party over party. Yeah.
It is.
If we get happy, we started getting mad.
Yes. I want to say something like, babe, you need to dye your hair black because.
Oh, Naza do not Trump cry. Oh, dear, baby, bra. Something fishing in Tiabiasi. And Maya Simio more near Transakan. What do you say?
The man has something they send no crime no more.
Where's
chance? Nanya is I know. Me sure say.
They say, media. Ama just also no many more basa. Nkomo na se ska yi ne ana yen kwan bezi hono na yen kozo yen koye
wu ni members bi maka cho se sa prepare no anya ya wuntimi nya papa bi dawo e wiase ne wono no kore ba akopɛ e ma no mo ye rere no mo ka no kora kire
de bi o me wo na ye panyini e na me susu wa cho se wo ye sure se asam na no mo kan no e ye sa de ye no
e ye no kore 100% asam ne nyina ne se anso bi du ba kwa brochire no sa ni pa no wa brochire no e wo se ska down no na account because obi do wo kwa brochire na ska ni na account also whole government no hu se ska da wa wo do obi free Ghana e ba ha no wo ska wo ya bosom ye adwuma a wo gi pay say na wo ska do account ni pa na ba obetuma de ahwe no wo wo dan atim
ma ende metiasi na adentina sa wo mu sika na da wo account wo fanya wo mu sa expect say ye
so omu yi say ska na e from account no be process wo Ghana ha na kire say omu ni ska no no e ba so mo apply for visa na ye mfa ma ye but also omu sika na da omu account no na ye piska the process case no wa ha so ye piska na dia process case no wa ha nti ye process we ni ye nya so adomo se ye nya visa no wi a saa omu sika na da omu account no bi no be ya twitwa print kita ma ye e no bi ne de be ye shopping nti anu de ye genuine
ti de na say me yes wo kan say ya say me nim
aye saa na tie say me mafa kire anya obi abisa no e don say saa na ye no so ati ase
because
lie we no me say
no to us what you din o nka bi
nya say me nka bi say me de me nim bibia e na lie we me pese nkofo bibire betete
o da bi na
wait nti me be ma kire obi a
Dabi
boys ni be hu ani wo UK wo ko ka susu hu kire obi a o say a time with the power jealousy
crack ko peja frankam
sama ba
masem kra ba me mana adwena
se ke me pese mebo so kire ni pada sani be owi asama obi ate ndi basa yenya word na yin piska mages no no mo fam process visa na ma ye na ne kire ya ene be boy
say o be dey kai su na say ya osu onye yin koye
kan de so kan for the senior fault bia we see land na da pankro no sa land na person kan ye ton ana ye de be loan kura na ye nkopɛ loan fi
ye ton wo de na me de no
se ne ye be ton ni mienu nyina ada ye fa ni mienu nyina nkɔgye loan so ate ase ti ade loan no ye de amoma process don process wi a na ye kodura se ne loan ye betua na ya sa age ya sa ase e simple ye ntiment tu akore jama no fa ma se ye du UK wi ye de pankro na asase ye de ye benye ska be to ho do asase ti pankro na asase de ne ya doge
because ama de me se de hu de me o se adwenkyere me kyere ma adwene bet
nde no ano no nti so nti me ama de mba no HTV nti eye no ano no wenye long talk bia masa ye kom na yesterday na kyere ye mpesika mo na ye
what you to de amate se me ntina me ka se yen guess na
no ano nti de no problem bia ma menye wada me rush no inside on say binin wo inside na yesa ye nye format masa ye be ko UK
se tie God's plan the couple share no
na bebem
bet they na e kire badwen ne asiska no ne
no dey forget one what is money
ene opa yem fo mun ko bo whispers one mun ko sell madwena na
se ne den ya one side ye don bebo
yenko
si wa ko bopu nyina ne la ala ni nyina ko
say life be expensive but if you faking kwa say life be expensive but if you faking kwa you man di wa na di wo why
mini person ko watch me say me to trio
e ba ne say
me cause ayi Opie me so na me swenke.
Na vempi. Huh? Makacho, I have to say, what's all cars very, very well.
I'm going to
Oh, now one share. Now one is me talking. Kochi mububi.
Sir?
One said, meaning said, and ya be drew here. It's mean pins, line in our pasca. And age I fire even I'm cutting on a soba. Why, mammy?
Allah. Hey! It's not just saying, can a man who can't tell me.
You know, they say, Wabbe, Una me cast a bra, near near the you cry, I'll be Sammy. And what's your she do? Oh, sorry, I saw Butu to them, so bad time me.
I heard it.
A word, a bayard de. Shan one for you.
Ama, get to open away the animal.
Shan a one for late. The catch roll. Business near dinner. Oh, for say, Kim. You're too big. You may also not shame bags. They say they ask me, me, trap. Oh, I say me a very smart woman.
Ama, me smart.
Hey, baby.
So
as I was saying, we have to, go to town and get some bags and.
Don't
Baby,
worry.
how you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
That's good.
Yeah, I went to town.
Do you mind?
Oh, don't worry.
Right.
It's alcohol.
Oh, thank you. I went to town to do 1 or 2 things about the processing. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you never told me that you were going to town for
Yeah,
that.
I do everything by surprisingly.
I trust you.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have talked a lot, about the processing.
Yeah.
And we need to help because you have done a lot for us. Yeah, because processing a visa for us, using a document to get that visa, it's not
that
easy
easy,
thing. Yeah. If someone doesn't love you,
Because of the love that we have for you guys.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
will
If
do
someone doesn't love
Yeah.
you, that person will never ever
Never.
do this.
Never.
Exactly.
Yeah, and what you girls are doing, we like it. Yeah, we like it. Yeah, we like it. So, this is £2,000. Yeah, £2,000.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm not faking. £2,000. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Not bad.
Just I and my brother giving you this to start the process, and as time goes on, we will add the rest.
Okay.
Yeah, we will add the rest because we want to go with you girls. We want to go with you
And we are
girls.
also very eager to go with you guys.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
I'm so impressed.
I'm rushing inside to do
All
one or two
right.
things.
Okay.
I cooked your favorite, so
Yes, yeah.
I'll join you.
Don't worry, you
soon.
are safe with us, okay?
Okay. In fact, your sister is so sweet. Yeah, I
And
really,
you are
really.
so handsome too.
Oh,
Love
Thank
you.
you.
Take care.
Okay.
I'll be joining you.
Yeah, I'm
soon, okay?
I'm going to shower and wait for you.
oh, you're so
Because this
funny.
afternoon,
I'm tired.
you're gonna do everything.
I'm tired.
You're gonna do everything that man do.
But we did that before you went out.
Yeah, no problem. I like it more and more and more and more and more and more. Waiting
You
for you, girl.
told me. Hey, prophecy.
What's it saying? 2,000.
Jay, there's only boss.
1,000. Hey.
Hey, you're riding microphone.
Emma.
Oh, many people are almost on near you. Must say, Pupro.
Tokro cry a free mobile de Tokro no. Womb bunyansa.
O buy na na we ena and I buy and so I beto dum eh
Me da me no. Yeah. Why am
She say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. She say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. I do man di wa na di wo why. I do man di wa na di wo why. Na di wo. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. I see say life be expensive, but it be faking kwa. I do man di wa na di wo why.
Just a matter
I do man di wa na di wo why.
Honey, We want to find one or two things.
I
So
won't hug you. You didn't tell me when you're going out.
Oh, like you were asleep.
we went to pay bills. We went to pay bills.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Now,
But you are looking good.
where are you
Thank
girls
you.
going to?
Oh, we had a call from the embassy that we should come and check one or two staff about the visa.
Wow.
Yes, we're going for the medical form so that somewhere next week or next 2 weeks they can call you guys for medicals. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Very sure.
Wow.
God is working.
This thing is moving on fast.
Yeah.
I like the way the processing is going.
So,
I like the way.
what have you eaten today?
Oh, don't worry, we'll take something outside.
Oh no, let's go. I have some cabbage stew there.
No, when we come, yeah.
Go
You
and
know,
do it fast.
Your,
We are in a haste.
the connection is protocol, yeah? So
okay.
we need to do things fast. So when they give us a call, we need to rush and
Oh,
go.
you need to eat
There's
something
no delay.
before.
No, if you delay, no, we can't
So
delay.
now you are going to embassy.
Yeah, to book an appointment for your medicals. So
For
we're
our
going
medical.
Yes, we're going for the forms.
May God bless you girls.
Amen.
What you girls are doing is too much.
Like
it's beyond our limits.
we never dreamt of this.
No,
it's
no,
too much. Oh God.
Me as for me, I always dream when I dream cow are follow me running.
When you go to UK, you won't have such a dream.
Oh.
That land is so peaceful. I know Ghana is peaceful,
Yes.
but
Queenland is special.
Ghana is not peaceful.
Queenland is special.
We want
Queenland.
but you've already started slaying because the way you dress in the UK.
Nah, here is alungumi.
Yeah, you don't get money to buy the quality ones. Yeah, because we can you can get a quality dress.
You can get them on credit too. Since when you go, we create a credit card for you guys.
Credit card.
Or we can get it here for you so that when you reach the airport,
So
you can start shopping at the airport.
What time are you coming? Like we have to prepare some soup.
We don't know the actual time, but when we are coming, we'll
give us a call.
you.
Yes.
Okay.
We're taking flight in and out, embassy are not from here in Kumasi.
Yeah, so you are heading straight to Accra right now?
Straight to Accra, yes.
Wow.
So we'll be here evening time, like 9.
Oh,
So we call you guys, though you can't pick her as the airport.
Then you girls are going to spend a lot of money.
So we want to prepare local soup, pepper soup for you. So you should.
No, the last time I took pepper soup, I heard this.
Oh,
So my saga, I don't want it.
Sorry. Oh, okay. Then
I want spag. I want spag. Do you know spag?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh. Then let us escort them and get them Uber to airport.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Get off!
Let us come, you know.
UK street gang.
Yes, what you are
You
saying.
guys are really funny.
Oh,
You have to because
we have such a beautiful girls like you.
Take very good care of yourself.
I hear.
And you shouldn't do what I wouldn't do.
I hear, honey. Hey.
Amma, I should have put on sneaker because it's so filthy.
oh, don't worry.
Don't worry.
You get
We're
Uber.
gonna get an Uber right there, you know. Oh, so special.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more. You have a small head.
I will miss him.
You have a round neck. Round neck head.
Yeah, this is the gravels they were stealing yesterday.
Yeah.
We saw some guys stealing this. You see?
What are they using for?
They're using for concretion.
I don't know.
Concretion.
Oh, Ghana is so hot.
Ghana is so
You see,
hairy. Yeah, man.
You see people lecturing around in UK, you won't even find that, a piece
You
of
see this?
paper.
Bumping. You call this
Socks.
This is hose, not socks.
I just love the greener part.